Hello and welcome again. It's me, Mr. D, back here with Buff Orpington chicks. We're going to see them maybe up close here. I want to come and get some of this food. Chick, 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 chick. Chick, 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 chick. Give them a little time to have a snack. But there must be one sleeping under the warmer plate. Everybody else is out and about here. Okay. There's always some of them that want to try and peck at my arm, see if I'm worth eating. Tick, 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 tick. Tick, 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 tick. And there they run. Thanks for stopping by and checking out these little chicks, and we'll hope to see you again real soon. Bye for now.